Welcome back to Real Talk About Trading, guys. In this brief message, I'm going to outline what's going to be happening in the market next because there is a 99.999% probability that what I'm about to reveal to you is actually going to be brutal reality for anyone that is looking at those weak-ass bounces in NVDA, which we accurately predicted. I posted a couple of videos yesterday and today saying, look, don't fucking trade it. Don't trade NVIDIA, okay? I posted a video saying NVIDIA 666, basically, it doesn't matter what the fuck you do. You're not going to make money on calls. You're not going to make money on puts. But everything that I outlined in those last couple of videos is happening now, which may not be obvious to you if you're simply focused on the bounce. But it's not the bounce that matters, right? What matters is... over the weekend, we posted a video and said, look, for the next 2 days, NVIDIA is going to sell off, and it's likely to go into the earnings report at around $660, which is exactly what happened. NVIDIA sells off Tuesday, NVIDIA sells off today on Wednesday, and then going into the earnings report, it goes exactly 660 plus, okay? And what happens after that is NVIDIA sells off right after the earnings report, to the low 600s. And then after that, it goes higher, which is exactly what we have told you the trajectory is going to be. Now, what we have not told you in the last couple of videos is what NVIDIA will do next. But let's just put the things in perspective for a brief moment. So NVIDIA revenue goes up on AI 4X. On gaming, it goes up 56%. And the stock still cannot trade above 750. This is arguably the best stock in the entire fucking world. And on this, what appears to be a pretty good fucking report, it cannot take out the highs at which it's been trading at in the last 2 weeks. What does that mean? Well, shit. Can you get even a better catalyst for a stock to move higher than the report that says things are as good as they possibly can be? Not only does NVIDIA say that, but they say, shit, we got a lot to look forward to. So you got killer revenues, killer earnings per share. You got great forward-looking guidance. And yet, the stock cannot move above 750. What does that tell you? If it cannot fucking do it on a major catalyst like this, it ain't going to fucking do it on any other catalyst. So, basically, Leo, can you just tell me what the fuck that means? Yes, I'm going to tell you exactly what that means. It means market fucking top. That's what that means. Okay, can you look at this weak-ass bounce on SMCI? SMCI options are way fucking overpriced. Okay, it drops close to 700, loses 70 points during the regular trading session, then it bounces. After the NVIDIA report goes to 840, where's that now? It's at 790. It's at 790. It's on weak volume. Okay, everybody that wanted to fucking buy it and drive the shit out of SMCI had already done so. So at this point, you get, the guys that are late to the party. You're too fucking late to the party, so they're still trying to pump it a little bit. What I'm saying is it's not going to last. The party is already over on SMCI. The party is over on NVIDIA. Okay, and if the party is over in the two top stocks that have been driving this market higher, then the question is, well, if the party is over, then what the fuck is going to happen to an average type stock that cannot grow revenue at 400%, that cannot grow earnings, that cannot grow their guidance by the magnitude that NVIDIA can? What's going to happen to an average stock? Well, shit, if NVIDIA can't hit all-time highs on this report, I'm telling you, an average stock ain't going to be moving higher from here. So come tomorrow, if by a fucking miracle, NVIDIA is still up, it's a short. If by a fucking miracle, SMCI is still up in relation to where it closed today, It is a beautiful short, but they're better trades than these two for you to partake. And if you want to know what they are, especially if you can take futures, guys, I got to finish this message real quick because we are trading futures now. The entry is now. The entry, based on the observations I have just described to you, the entry is here. It is now. And guys, that some of these entries that we're doing on some of those futures on NASDAQ, on S&P 500 futures, on gold futures, I mean, some of these will go 20, 30x. But you got to enter them now. So if you got your account set up to trade futures, give us a call here at 13 Market Moves. Go to 13mmtv.com, click the big orange button, schedule a call right now so you wouldn't miss out on a perfect entry. So with that said, it's not the green candles that you may be watching after hours, but rather the levels. I have outlined the levels in a couple of videos over the course of the last couple of days, basically saying that, look, there's an important level on Microsoft, okay, under 400. So 400 used to be what? It used to be a support. Now it's a fucking resistance. Okay, any bounce over 400 on MSFT is a short. Any bounce on NVDA above 700 is a short, at least temporarily for the course of the next couple of weeks. So don't be mesmerized by those green candles, and action needs to be taken now while the entry is perfect. And it's not trading NVDA, or it's not trading SMCI that's going to get you paid like a rock star over the course of the next few trading days. It is other instruments that you should be learning about right now by contacting the 13 Market Moves coach. We will be posting some of those trades, guys, over the course of the next few days to a few weeks, and you will be fucking shocked. You will be shocked. You would be sitting watching these fucking trades and be like, oh my God, why didn't I think about this? Holy shit. This was a simple fucking trade I could have taken by calling 13 Market Moves on the 21st of February. Why didn't I? More so, I will tell you that your wife will be kicking your ass saying, honey, why didn't you fucking do it? You're sleeping on the couch tonight, okay? And she will be scheduling a call to talk to 13 Market Moves. So don't let this disaster happen to you, okay? Just go to 13mmtv.com, schedule a call now, guys. The market is on a verge of collapse, but there's certain things that will make you 20, 30x straight and certain things that won't. Make sure you're taking the right type of trades. They'll get you paid exponentially, take your account to the next level. Don't miss the next few videos. Beautiful setup in the markets. Rare situation. In rare situations, you take action. Take action now by contacting a 13 Market Moves coach. Guys, let's roll. Big fucking trades just ahead.